your Mac keyboard or trackpad suddenly stops working and you are not sure whether it's a hardware or software issue, you can test both using the new Apple Diagnostics in macOS Tahoe before contacting Apple support or paying for repairs. In this tutorial, I am using a MacBook Pro M4 running macOS Tahoe version 26.4. To begin, make sure your Mac is plugged in and connected to the internet. Next, click the Apple logo and choose Shutdown. Press and hold the power button until you see the loading startup options screen, then release it. When you see your startup disk and the options icon, press and hold Command plus D. Continue holding until you see the Apple logo and a progress bar below. Next, you will see the diagnostics and repair screen. Click Continue. Select your Wi-Fi network and click Continue. You may have to enter your network password. Then click Agree. The Diagnose screen appears. Click Continue. From the list of diagnostics, click the Start button. For keyboard, to test your keyboard for stock keys, unresponsive keys, or hardware-level failures. Next, answer the questions with yes and no while checking your keys. Continue to answer the questions related to your Mac keyboard until you see the keyboard test screen. As you press each key, it turns green if there are no issues. When the test is complete, you see the results. For more detailed information, click the I button. Now click Done to return to the diagnostics screen. To test your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or MacBook Neo trackpad for gesture recognition, click Functionality, and Sensor Performance, click the Start button. Next, slide your finger over the entire surface of the trackpad. If you missed a part, slide your finger over it again. If every square on your screen turns green, your Mac hardware has passed the test. If you don't want to run another test, click the arrow at the top left corner, click Cancel, then click Restart. If you are looking for free Mac apps, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.